Hi guys, good morning. It's your Ingeniero Choper and together with me is Caleb. So today guys, we're going to install something on my MG5. It is an upgrade. It is considered to be one of the major upgrades na ginagawa ng mga MG5 car owners sa MG5 nila. So let's go. Okay, so ito siya guys. Actually, I got this package few days ago. This is from Sir Kanoto K. Young of Car Day Accessories. Previously, I bought some accessories from his page. So finally, ito dumating to. Again, this is one of the major upgrades na ginagawa ng mga MG5 car owners. So let's open this. Grabe. Ito siya guys. LED headlight. Auto LED lighting systems. Pag bibili kayo ng mga LED headlights para sa MG5 nyo, piliin nyo yung 9005 HB3. This is the one that fits our MG5. So let's open the box.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, Caleb.
Nice.
Yes, ayan siya guys. So very colorful. Look at that. So let's install this.
Yeah. For the double gear?
Yes. So medyo marumi siya, but don't worry. It will not affect the performance of the car. So give me that, Caleb. So ito guys, oh, for a closer look. Ayan siya. Ito yung box niya. So ito yung loob. Ayan. Okay. So let's install this. So we can find the headlight here. Medyo may dudukutin ka lang dito. Kung maliit yung kamay mo, much better. Pero para sa akin, medyo kailangan siyang dukutin talaga. So para meron tayong better access sa part na to, kasi compared sa right side is medyo malaki yung space niya. But for this part here, medyo sagabal tong lagayan ng wiper fluid. So tatanggalin natin siya.
I will put the lights.
Yes. So, ito yung 10mm na socket.
Left. There.
Uy, no. Just put it back. Put it back. Thank you for helping. Ayan guys. Madali lang siyang tanggalin. Just to give way sa pagdukot natin sa headlight. Caleb, be careful with that. So, makikita nyo yan in actual pag tinanggal nyo to. So, mas accessible na yung headlight dito. So, tatanggalin natin yung cover. By the way guys, itong headlights ko ngayon, actually, hindi na ito stock. Stock yung parts niya, pero hindi na ito yung original sa unit ko. Kasi, there was a time, 6 months ago, na napundi yung isa. And thanks to Sir Mark, kasi meron siyang spare na stock. Kasi nga, nag-upgrade siya ng LED from LED Works. Binigay niya sa akin yung stock niya. And nagpatulong ako sa kaibigan ko na si Sir Mark Lee, na may-ari ng talyer. So thanks to Sir Mark kasi with his help, natutunan ko kung paano ikabit yung LED lights or yung headlights. So ito guys, hihilahin lang natin to. So makikita niyo tong part na to. Ito yung protective cover sa headlights. You just need to twist this counterclockwise. And then makikita niyo yung socket dito or yung harness dito. So ito yung stock guys. And then we will replace it with a LED headlight. So ito yung ballast niya. So we just need to put everything inside. But first, lagay muna natin siya dito. So before natin siya i-totally install, try natin i-unlock para makita natin kung gumagana ba. Yun, no? Wow! Yung fan, gumagana. Look at that. Very bright, Caleb, no? Okay. Ganun lang pag-check pag andito ka sa harap. So, we are good to go para i-install yung headlight. First, we need to put it back sa slot. So, ayan guys. Naikabit na natin. Very easy to install. Medyo pinapawisan ako. But finally, na-install ko siya. So, ito yung difference niya. So, I'll try to unlock it. Yun. Yun yung LED guys. So, I'll take some few shots para makita nyo. Ayan guys, oh. Ito yung LED part. Ayan. So later, papalitan natin yung kabila kasi yellow pa siya. Halogen bulb pa. Wow. So bright. So ayan guys, na ikabit na talaga natin yung both sides ng LED headlight natin. And naipakita ko na rin sa inyo yung before and after. So I took a video sa stock and sa new headlight natin para may comparison. So kayo na mag-decide guys kung worth it ba itong ikinabit kong bagong LED headlight natin. Again, this is from Sir Canuto K. Young. So if you want more informations about this, he is selling not only for MG5 but also for other brands. Nakikita nyo naman, maraming mga different sizes or different types of LED headlights na nakamarka sa likod. If you want one, contact him in his Facebook account and also sa Facebook page niya, Car Day Accessories. And again, I would like to thank Sir Mark Perdugas for giving me the stock na hindi na niya nagamit para magamit ko siya for the past 6 months. And also thanks to my friend Mark Lee. Sa shop niya, ikinabit yung stock na headlight para magamit ko siya and para malaman ko kung paano i-install yung bagong headlight. And to tell you guys, itong upgrade na to, it does not void the warranty. Kasi headlights are consumable. At the same time, hindi siya covered sa warranty. So, you can change as long as it's according to specs or counterpart ng specs. Again, thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Chopper. And I'm happy for my another upgrade sa MG5 ko after 4 years and a half. So thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Chopper. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe.